Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. In today's session, we are going to understand one new topic which is called as Fantastic Four. Okay, so today we are going to learn a Fantastic Four strategy. What is a Fantastic Four strategy? You will learn if you watch the video completely. So let's get started. I am on a Nifty chart today. Okay, so a little bit about the rules of this Fantastic Four strategy. Okay, what are the things we are going to have in this Fantastic Four? Obviously, the name suggests Fantastic Four, so we have four things which needs to be covered. Okay, one is our 20 and 200 moving average. Number two, previous day high and previous day low. Three is your price action. Four is your price action and then support and resistance. Four. Okay, so these are the four things which is called as Fantastic Four. And this Fantastic Four you're going to apply on a daily chart and understand what you need to do if this Fantastic Four gives you a breakout or breakdown. So let's get started. So we have applied our 20 and 200 period moving average on this chart. Now we have to apply our previous day high and previous day low. Let's go one day ahead. Okay, let's try to understand from previous days. Let's start from here. Do we have any option to add in the studies or views itself? Let's see. Okay, let me plot it down for you, not a problem. So we'll have this. This is our previous day high. Okay, this is our previous day high. Then we have previous day low. So this is our previous day low, right? Where did this go? Previous day high. Okay, so this is mapped. 200 is mapped, black color, 20 is mapped. Okay, now the price action. What is the price action doing the next day, the immediate open? Okay, you have mapped these things for the previous day. Okay, so now you're going to trade this day, which is the 25th. So 25th market opened at the previous day low and it was not able to sustain here and it broke the previous day low with a big red candle. So what is the indication we are getting here as per the rules? If it breaks the previous day low and the price, if price breaks previous day low and below 220, what we are going to do? Short. Okay, short entry. So we are going to look for a short entry here. So what happened? It broke and then there's a big, it's a good strength candle. Okay, and if you have volume here, you can add it in the futures chart. Volume at times doesn't give you 100% confirmation, but if you want to consider volume also, you can do that. So simply when this four things gets aligned and the price is below that, then your short entry will trigger. Okay, and then what happens? Then you have to open up our Epic Pen. So you take a short entry. Your stop loss is above this candle, or if you're taking an entry here, then you put your stop loss above this candle. Okay, I would suggest stop loss above the high of the day. Okay, this will give you more room for trailing. So it started falling, continuous fall. It came back till 20, and whenever there is a red candle taking out the previous green candle, again you can add here. And from there it went far away from 20, and after that it started going sideways. So this was the trend, and this was the sideways. So this will give you a good entry, and you'll be able to capture the entire trend, and stop loss will be short for you. So easily you would have made decent money if you had shorted here. Now let's go back a little bit and try to do the same thing for the previous day. So you have marked the high of the day, previous day high, and this day's low is this. Okay, this is the range. Price is above and below the. So now the candle opened above the high of the day, previous day high. Okay, so here you got a long entry. Okay, you could have easily made 1:2 in this, and from there it broke and it came into the range of the day. Nothing happened majorly. If you had uh, taken long with this stop loss, your stop loss would have been hit this day, and it went into the range here. Okay, so there will be stop loss hits, so don't get disheartened with that, but this is a very strong concept. Now let's go to the previous day. This is our previous day high, this is our previous day low. Price is again not giving us any entry here. It is in the same range. It started from the lower range, it went up to the higher range, and then it stayed. So there is actually no entry this day. So all the four conditions have to be satisfied. Now let's go to the this day. This is the start of the day, and this is the high of the day. Previous day high is this one, and previous day low will be somewhere here, because this was the open, this was the low, and this was the high. And then what happened next day? Next day also it opened in the range and stayed sideways. So it is not a entry day for you here. If you want to see this on a daily time frame for understanding's sake, you can easily understand here. See, whenever the days where there is, for example, this is the high, this is the low. Here stop loss hit. Okay, and here this day you would have made money. This day there is no entry. This day you would have made money. Okay, this day no entry. This day will be like you will be making money. This day is hardly anything, or stop loss hit. This day you will make money. These days you will make huge money with this kind of a trend. Okay, so you put this, and if you want you can add one more indicator. Okay, which is your VWAP. So VWAP will need volume here. So we have to take the future symbol, Nifty Feb future. Okay, so here we added VWAP. So we will save this as our fantastic 4 FF. Okay, so now let's plot these things for the next day. This is the high of the Friday, and this is the low of the Friday. Okay, so now if any candle opens or sustains below this level, okay, so any candle sustaining below this level, it's a short entry for you with that candle high as stop loss, and the trend will continue. And if it opens anywhere here and it continues to be in the range, then there is no trade for you. Okay, your trade will be above this. And where is the VWAP? VWAP is also here, but it's an additional condition which we have put. So it has to be above VWAP, above 200, above 20, and above the previous day high. So let's write down the conditions. Bullish above previous day high, above 20, above 200, above VWAP, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 conditions here, and SL will be above the below the entry candle or nearest swing low. Okay, so this is the condition for bullish, this is the condition for bearish. Below, everything same, below previous day low, below 20, below 200, below VWAP. SL above the entry candle or nearest swing high. Okay, so these are the rules which you need to follow. So basis this, now you are able to say what is going to happen on Monday. We have to see with this levels already drawn. So you have to wait. If the candle opens anywhere about 17,982 and sustains, then you can go for option buying, or you can buy future with the stop loss below it and continue the trail. All these conditions have to be met. All these conditions should be met. Okay, so and if it is in this range, do not trade, sell a straddle and sit tight. If it is below this, then sell directional. If you are a seller, then you have to sell directional. If you are a buyer, you have to buy directional if any of the range is broken. If it is in the range, then you please sell straddles and continue to make money on the both sides, because there will be decay. So now, since the budget is very close, I am expecting it. Let's see this on a bigger time frame. Let's see this on a weekly time frame. Maybe this chart we'll see on a weekly time frame. Nifty chart, running chart. Okay, weekly time frame. It is still having some more zone. There is a good zone here. Okay, this is one zone where it can dip, because 3 weeks the price stayed in this. So this is one zone where you can expect it to come, and budget, there can be a rally or there can be a breakdown. If the rally has to happen, the rally has to happen from here towards the new high. If there is a downfall, then the fall will start from here, and first level is here. This is our first level. Okay, and the second levels will be all along this level. So that will be the levels to watch out for. Okay, this is too far, 15,900, 15,500, but we cannot say what happens in the budget. So basis that, you trade cautiously and watchful of the events which are happening. Always hedge your positions and always cap your risk. If you cap your risk, only then you will be successful in trading and making money from the markets. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe, share and comment. If you want me to analyze any of your stocks, I'll be happy to do that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.